Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y70 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second position here we have the geographic locations option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on, like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this button we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. Let's tap on the center to get access to the gallery options. To check its location, let's move here to this button with I letter, and here we have the details with the location and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.